So the question is, how many times in a week you should train? The answer is it depends. It depends on your fitness level, your goals, and the type of activity you're doing. So let me simplify it for you. So the first category of exercise I want to talk about, which is the most important category, is strength training or resistance training. Anywhere where you're targeting your muscles, trying to get stronger. That could be using weights or bodyweight exercise such as pull-ups, push-ups, etc., or using a resistance band. Anything really where you're focusing on getting stronger. When it comes to strength training, you want to train anywhere between 3 days a week to 5 days a week. Any less than that, you're not training enough and you're not going to get the best results out of it. And any more than that, you're probably overtraining and your muscles don't get enough time to recover. Sure, there are some people who can train 6 days a week and get away with it, but for that you have to be an advanced athlete and you should be strong enough to handle that kind of frequency and intensity. Strength training is not easy. It has a toll on your body. It is intense and it has to be intense enough so that you get your results. So 3 to 5 days a week is a perfect frequency for you. Now the second category is low intensity cardio or steady state cardio, where it includes exercises such as walking or cycling, anywhere where your heart is not racing and you can easily talk and you're not really exhausting yourself. Okay, you get that? So when it comes to low intensity cardio, you can do it pretty much every day really. And we humans are so sedentary, any sort of extra activity we get, it's good. So do it every day, that's not a problem. The third category is high intensity cardio or HIIT. This is pretty intense, alright? Your heart is going to be racing and it has a toll on your body. So you need to limit your HIIT sessions or high intensity cardio to 3 times per week. Anywhere between 2 to 3 times a week is ideal. It's perfect for fat loss and also your body gets enough time to recover between the weight training sessions. So that's what you need to focus on, 2 to 3 times per week. Strength training, low intensity cardio and high intensity cardio, that pretty much covers all sorts of training that you should be doing when it comes to becoming a better athlete. But there is one other aspect of training that you should not be ignoring, and that is skill-based training. This is applicable to anybody that wants to get better at a sport or martial arts or any art form really where you want to get better. And when you want to get better at an art form, it is really important that you practice the skills necessary every single day. And the best thing to do is increase your frequency. That is, train every single day, don't take a day off. And the thing to focus on here is you need to focus on the skill, not on the intensity. Keep the intensity low, keep it low impact and train every single day. Because when you train every day, it gives you more practice and practice makes you perfect. There's also one last category which I almost forgot to cover and I can't believe I did this because it's really important. This is stretching and mobility. You know what, when you train in the gym, when you push your body beyond its limits to get stronger, to get faster, to lose fat, to build muscle and all that, that's fine. But you also have to recover your body and improve your mobility, because when you move better, it reduces the chances of you getting injured. And when you stretch, it elongates your muscle, which increases the range of motion, which means you have better movement quality and again you get injured less often. So it's important to stretch and mobilize yourself every single day. All it takes is 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, do some static stretching, do some mobility, work on it for 5 to 10 minutes every single day. Don't miss this. So that's it for today's video. To summarize, strength training 3 to 5 times a week, low intensity cardio every single day, high intensity cardio 2 to 3 times a week, skill based training every single day, stretching and mobility 5 to 10 minutes every single day. So that's it. Hope this helped. Until next time, take care, stay hungry.